Hello my viewers, today we will learn how to create a BOGO bundle from A to Z using the Radius Bundle app on Shopify. First, go to the Radius Bundles dashboard. In this screen, you can see there are some guidelines about it. First, navigate to the bundles. As you can see, there are currently no bundles created yet. After clicking on Create Bundle, select BOGO from these 4 types of bundle. It could be classic promotions like buy one get one free or increasing order quantity without dropping unit price. Usually the same product or product type. Click on Create Bundle. Instantly you will get a form to complete in 4 steps to create this bundle. Provide the bundle details like bundle name, and the description. Then select the products you want to create the bundle with. Then click on Add. Here you can see those products from the live preview. Now from the products you have selected, you need to decide which ones will be kept as the main products and which product will go as the offer product along with the main item. So set up the options accordingly. And right beside it, you will notice the live preview showing when they purchase the main product. Here you can see the reward discount option. Then discount type. You can choose from these 4 types such as percentage. If you select it, simply set the percentage amount and instantly check the preview here. Once you set the discount percentage amount, it will appear under the bundle product title like this. After the percentage option, let's try the discount amount type. Set an amount for it and you'll see how it appears differently. Now let's choose custom price and set price for it. Here the difference is clearly visible. For today's tutorial, we are selecting percentage discount and setting it 50%. Then write a description for the bundle. You can also enable this option to automatically sync it with the bundle name. You can add media from the included products. Now let's move to the display section. From these 4 widget layouts, you can choose whichever one you like. You can preview each layout appearance live below. You can also change the offer title and offer subtitle according to your preference. In the live preview, you will instantly notice the changes while customizing. This here is the Add to Cart button text. If you want, you can customize that too. Below that, you will find several field selection options. By enabling or disabling them, you can show or hide specific elements on display settings. You'll see the changes happening instantly. Once disabled, the element disappears from the preview. For the bundle status, you'll get these options: draft, active, and schedule. If you choose schedule, you will need to set a date for it. For this tutorial, we are selecting the active option. Now move to the final step, review. Before proceeding, quickly check everything once again. If you go to the bundle section from the Radius Bundle dashboard, you'll be able to see your newly created BOGO bundle deal. There you can view the bundle products, bundle type, discount, and status. And when you click here, the included products will appear as linked items. Let's open one for testing purpose. Here it is. From here, you can also the products used to create the bundle, including the free product or gift item, along with the original and discounted price. After that, let's go back to the settings from the Radius Bundle dashboard and then open Style. From here, you can customize the bundle style according to your preference. But first, make sure to select the template type as BOGO. Then choose a preset to customize its appearance. You can also change the colors if needed. You can also adjust the corner roundness, shadow depth, and spacing using those options. Then customize the image size if needed. And if you still want additional changes, you can do these from here as well. Let's save it. Now let's go back again, reload the page, and compare the before and after difference. Let's click on Add these products to the cart. After adding them, you will get the checkout option for the next step. You will get a form to complete the purchase. Since this is just for testing purpose, we are trying to show how a user would go through the process. Complete the required fields in the form and click on Pay Now. Here are the order details with all the information included. After this, let's move to the order dashboard and open the bundle we just created. Here you can see the products included in your bundle along with the Get Why products that received the discount. And this is the payment overview. Thanks for watching.